Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So on today's video I'm going to be installing this 40-inch braided wig for the first time. I've never had a braided wig on. I've never installed one, so I'm going to be trying to install one today on my head. So I'm just showing you guys how the inside and the outside looks like. So I'm just going in with my powder to make it look like scalp. So I'm going to place it right on my head. You make sure that the middle part matches almost the middle part of your head. So I'm going to be cutting the lace before I lay it down. So this is me just taking out the baby hairs that I want to do. Place, I just want to have an equal amount of baby hairs. So I'm just going to section the baby hairs out. I'm going to make it 3 on each side, either side of the hair. So I'm just contemplating if I should have baby hairs in front or I should take it back. So after that, I'm just going to cut the ear tabs and make it sit right on my head. So yeah. So I'm just making sure that the ear tabs are sitting well and is sitting pretty on my forehead. I mistakenly took the bonding glue instead of got2b spray. Thank God I realized that before I used it on my head, so it was very funny at the end of the day. So I'm just going to spray down the lace, then I'm going to tie it down. I think I left it on for like 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I'm going to take it off. Then I'm going to cut the baby hairs, more like adult hairs or even rubber hairs, but you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah. And I'm searching for a kind of possibility, someone to truly love me for me, someone to come and be my true love, true love, true love, true love, true love, true love, true love. Now this is the moment of truth. It was very difficult for me to lay the baby heads. The baby heads were already dry, so I had to go in with super glue. What? Super glue. I went in with got2b spray to soften it up before laying it down, but it was very difficult for me, especially the second one. It refused to do. It refused to bend, it refused to curve, it refused to lay. I tried, but it wasn't responding, so I left it. I did what I could do. So but at the end of the day it was still manageable. So I tied it down for another 20 minutes before taking it off. After 20 minutes I took it off, and this was what we were left with. This is the result of it. It came out pretty well. I mean the laying, but don't mind the baby hairs, they weren't baby hair, so I left them like that. So it was nice. I love to make braids, but my natural hair is too scanty for braids. Like, they can't hold the weight of the extension. So thank God we have braids, wigged braids, braided wigs to try on, to use for those of us with scanty hair. So I liked the way it came out. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, but before you go, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.